Struggling to write content? Want quality content with higher engagement and higher CTRs? This is Scholarly and we'll be doing Instoried review. Instoried is an artificial intelligence-powered content generating and assessment application. It assists you in creating SEO-friendly material and effectively enhancing the moods and tones of your content. In addition, you may create customized, error-free, and extremely adaptable material quickly. Instoried is aimed to assist companies in communicating with empathy. Instoried's mission is to assist people in creating high-quality content at scale, as well as to enable content production a quick and effective process for organizations and individuals. This application has two parts, which are the content generation tool and the content analysis tool. It features a GPT-3 trained model, enabling the generation of excellent content. The content analysis tool considers SEO, spelling, grammar, and plagiarism. Instoried is a single tool to rule everything. It allows you to create stories that matter with the AI analysis assistant. This feature analyzes and improves your content by suggesting better words, making you stand out. It analyzes the impact of your titles, headlines, captions, and many more. In addition, it also analyzes the tone, emotion, originality, and SEO of your content. Instoried also lets your content become the talk of the town by helping you create original and engaging content in just a few clicks. This application allows you to generate premium content, including taglines, brand descriptions, ads, headlines, and captions. The generated content is SEO-centered, and you can choose or personalize the suggestions. So how does it work? Open the content editor and add a document to be edited. Add your content to the space provided. Different analyses are shown on the right panel. Choose one to view the analysis. Suggestions are shown in the tonal section. You can select to apply different suggestions to improve your content. Instoried offers a straightforward pricing plan that scales depending on the number of users. Instoried improves your content while saving time. Its cutting-edge AI technology augments your composing capabilities in real time. Here you can examine the moods and emotions in your writing with ease. In order to elicit the appropriate set of feelings in your consumers, optimize the needed emotions in your content and make it more impactful. Additionally, grammar and plagiarism are also checked. Instoried suggests adding empathy, better tenses and phrases, and more unique material. With Instoried, you can improve your writing skills and increase consumer engagement. In summary, it's a jam-packed, helpful, and essential tool for content writing and analysis for your marketing needs. Here are Instoried pros and cons. And that's it. Like this video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in this one, where I'll show you an app to maximize your productivity. Will you try Instoried? Let us know in the comments below.